how to add a single routine widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Then we go down and tap on widgets. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. After that, scroll down and go down to the single routine section. In here there are 3 different widget size. You got a small one, medium size, and a large size. So drag on a widget size and then drop it onto your home screen. Here you can tap on the widget to start the widget. Here you can select a routine here, or you can create a brand new routine. So we can go into settings. So here I will go into settings. So touch and hold into the widget, then tap on settings. Something's wrong there, doesn't allow me to make changes. So I think it's crashing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove that and create another widget. So we'll go into widgets. We create another one. So we'll go back down and we'll go into mods and routines, and then we go down to a single routine. I'll tap on it. Here you can create a new routine in here, or you can use one of the existing routines that you already have. So Bluetooth. Here I can tap on it to turn on or switch off Bluetooth. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.